everyone, welcome to Envision the Vision. Let's make some healthy homemade cookies today. For this I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of ghee and a little pinch of salt. Also some 3 to 4 cardamoms which I have powdered and mixed them into a rough dough and fried. After giving a shape, I have fried them into medium to low heat and then I've rested them for 5 minutes to get the crispy texture. Details on ingredients and procedure is provided in the description section. If you are aware of any other cookie recipe, please do let me know in the comment section. Also let me know from where you are watching. That will keep me motivated. Thank you for watching.